Alrighty, guys. So today I want to talk to you a little bit about the KRK Rokit Auto Standby feature. This is a new feature that is on the KRK Rokit. And basically what it does is it turns your monitors off for every 30 minutes that they go without sound. There are definitely pros and cons to this sort of feature, and I kind of want to dive in and talk about it a little bit. Talk about what you can do if you're not enjoying it as well. So for me, it doesn't really bother me. It's kind of nice because I'm working with these all day, and energy and power can get expensive, and the fact that these are essentially auto saving your energy for you is a pretty cool and pretty progressive feature, in my opinion. I think that KRK has done what lots of devices do. Speaking of, my iMac just went into power saving mode right here. You could think of it as like a hardware screensaver of sorts. That you're not going to be wasting power when you're not using your monitors, which just makes sense to me anyway. For some people, they don't like the auto standby feature, and a lot of it comes down to the fact that to get them going again definitely takes a second, and you have to kind of start playing your music at a bit of a louder volume to have them recognize that music is playing again. Actually, if you go and look at the manual, I think it's -50 dBu is the exact level that you need to play a sound at. For those who are running off of Windows, there is definitely a solution. I'm not sure for Mac yet, but it is a pretty solid solution. I like it. Essentially, if you go online, there's this Jane Sklar website that is JANEISKLAR.net, and whoever this guy or girl is, they made essentially a small executable that plays a 10 hertz sound for 500 milliseconds every 25 minutes. 10 hertz, if you know anything about sound, is out of human hearing range. So the cool thing is you won't hear it, but it'll play every 25 minutes just to make sure that your KRK Rokits don't go into auto standby. And essentially, all you have to do is simply download it, install it into your computer, and this WAV file will play every 25 minutes. Of course, there hasn't been any detailed testing this far, so it's definitely something that you should use at your own risk if you're going to use it anyway. In my opinion, I know there's a lot of back and forth about this auto standby feature, and I don't see it as a disadvantage. But if for whatever reason you are you're angry about your KRK Rokits going into auto standby, then know that there is a solution. I simply have to just look it up. All right, that's pretty much all for me. If you have any insights or any feelings, whether positive or negative, about this auto standby feature, or if you have any questions, feel free to say so in the comments. Alrighty, guys, take it easy.